Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to lock a car with a car key fob, and these will be easy instructions. One last time, and I promise this is the last time I will say it, the title and topic for this video will be the following. In this specific video, I will be showing you and telling you specifically how to lock a car with a car key fob, and these will be easy instructions. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So what I have here is a key fob for one of my vehicles, and I'm going to show you how to use something like this to lock your vehicle. Now, obviously yours might be different, and it probably is going to be different. So obviously you want to use your common sense and your sense of judgment, and make sure you know your car well enough, to do this properly. And also make sure you read through the owner's manual or the user's manual for the vehicle so that you know exactly what to do. But as a general guideline, this is how you can use a car key fob to lock a lot of cars, okay? So I'm not saying it's going to work every time, but there's a good chance that it has a decent chance of working. Anyways, if you take a look over here at the key fob, you can see that there's a lock button over here. I'm going to try and get into focus. There's a lock button right over there. You can see it looks like a padlock and it is closed, okay? So to lock your vehicle, you're going to simply push that button, okay? And I'll tell you some of the little aspects of doing it. So I'm just going to put my thumb on that button. Here's the lock button right here, okay? And essentially what I would do to lock it is I'd push it, and it would lock the vehicle. Okay, very simple. Now, when you push it once, most of the time, with many vehicles, this is going to be how it's going to work a good majority of the time. When you push it once, it's going to lock the doors. Okay, and then when you push it a second time, as far as I know, it's gonna lock them again. Like it'll just, make sure they'll lock again, so they'll stay locked, but it'll make like a beeping sound or an audible sort of signal, like a little beep, or the horn will honk, right? So with the vehicles that I've experienced, to the best of my memory, because I kind of do it automatically, this is just to the best of my memory, to the vehicles that I've used, to the best of my memory, that's how it works. Okay, that's the best of my memory, the best of my understanding, the best of my knowledge. You push it once to lock the doors of the vehicle. You push it a second time quickly after that, and it will continue locking them, so it'll lock them again, and then it'll make some sort of signal or some sort of sound to let you know that it's locked. Okay, I believe that's how it works with the majority of vehicles, as far as I know. And I guess when you push it once, it's going to lock them because you are saying to lock it. When you push it a second time, when it makes that beeping sound, right? It's letting you know that they're locked, so you have that reassurance. Okay, as far as I know, I don't know of many exceptions. I'm even trying to think of this vehicle. If as far as I know, when you push it once, it does not beep, but when you push it the second time, it beeps. But that's to the best of my knowledge or understanding. The main thing, because I could be wrong about that, and there might be vehicles, maybe even my own vehicle, if I'm not remembering correctly, but there might be vehicles that when you push it once, it might beep right away. But the main thing is this: you push the lock button on the key fob to lock the doors of the vehicle. That is the key aspect here. You push the lock button on the key fob remote to lock the door of the vehicle, to lock the doors of the vehicles. That's basically what I want to portray and put across. You're gonna get your thumb, put it on the lock button, okay? And when you want to lock it, push it just like that, and the doors are locked. You can push it a couple times, over and over. It's fine. I do that. A lot of people do that. You hear the cars going beep, 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 beep. They'll beep a few times. A lot of people do that, totally fine. But you push the lock button on the car key fob remote over here on the key fob in order to lock the doors of the vehicle. And that's it. That is how to lock a car using the car key fob. Super easy instructions. I tried to explain it as thoroughly as I could, but I tried to keep it also as very simplistic. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we're going to roll the outro. And yeah, that's it. I feel like I'm going to keep blabbing on. So for real, without further ado, we're going to roll the outro. So no more talking, I promise. Here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.